In this lecture, we are going to discuss the examples of chimney draft. Here is one data. A thermal power plant works on natural draft and height of chimney is restricted to 30 meter. It means capital H is given to you. Ambient air temperature is 25 degrees Celsius. TA is equal to 25 degrees Celsius. Convert this TA in Kelvin. Temperature of flue gases passing through the chimney has been measured to be 300 degrees Celsius. So, Tg will become 573 Kelvin. Considering the air-fuel ratio to be 20:1, it means you have to supply 20 kg of air per 1 kg of fuel. So, indirectly, Ma is given to you. Ma is equal to 20 kg per kg of fuel. Now, you have to find draft produced in Newton per meter square. And second, velocity of flue gases passing through the chimney. Here, it is given that 50% of theoretical discharge is lost in friction. First, we have to find draft produced in Newton per meter square. We have a equation of delta P. Delta P equal to 353 GH 1 upon TA minus Ma plus 1 upon Ma 1 upon Tg. Now here you have all the values to calculate delta P. So put the values of H, TA, Ma and Tg. You will get delta P is equal to 158.25 Newton per meter square. Here in this equation, I suggest you to find the value of this bracket first. Then multiply this bracket with this value. So chances of error will be less. Next, we have to find the velocity of flue gases. Here we have the equation for velocity of flue gases is equal to square root of 2g into hg minus hf. Hg is the draft in hot gas column and hf is frictional losses. To find hg, we have the equation capital H into Ma divided by Ma plus 1 Tg by Ta minus 1. Here we have the values of Ma, Tg and Ta. So you can easily find Hg. Unit will be meter of hot gases. Use this Hg value to find frictional loss, which is 50% of Hg. To find velocity of hot gases, put this Hg and Hf values in this equation. So you can find the final value as 15.64 meter per second for velocity of flue gases. Second example, find the minimum height of the chimney. Capital H you have to find. Required to produce a draft of 16 mm of H2O. Here draft in terms of column of H2O is given. So HW will be 16 mm of H2O. If 19 kg of air is required per kg of fuel burnt, it means Ma is equal to 19 kg per kg of fuel. The mean temperature of flue gases inside the chimney is 330 degrees Celsius. Tg is given to you and atmospheric temperature is 30 degrees Celsius, means Ta. Convert this Tg and Ta in Kelvin. Here, with the help of equation for draft in mm of water column, you can directly find capital H. HW is equal to 353 H 1 upon Ta minus Ma plus 1 by Ma 1 upon Tg. HW is given to you TA, MA and TG. These values are given. Now, here one point is important. You have to put HW in mm only, and from this equation you will get capital H in meter. Calculate the value of this bracket first and find capital H. Final value for H will be 29.15 meter. Third example. Find the mass flow rate of flue gases through the chimney. M dot G you have to find. When the draft produced is equal to 19 mm of water column. HW is equal to 19 mm of H2O. The temperature of gases is 300 degrees Celsius. Tg is given. Convert this into Kelvin. Ambient temperature is 28 degrees Celsius. So Ta will be 301 Kelvin. The mass of air used is 18 kg per kg of fuel burnt. Ma is equal to 18 kg per kg of fuel. Diameter of chimney is also given. Take capital D is equal to 2.2 meter. Now, equation for mass flow rate of flue gases. M dot G is equal to rho G, area of the chimney, into velocity of flue gases. In this equation, rho G you have to calculate first. Rho G is equal to 353 by Tg, Ma plus 1 by Ma. Here Ma and Tg both values are given. So you can easily find rho G, density of flue gases. Second is area of the chimney. It will be pi by 4 into d square. Diameter is already given to you. So you can calculate area of the chimney. Now Vg, velocity of flue gases. Equation for Vg is equal to square root of 2g into hg when head loss due to friction is 0. Now here hg is unknown. So you have to find hg first. Use this equation for finding hg. In the equation of hg, capital H is unknown. Ma, Tg and Ta. These values are given to you. To find capital H, you have to use the equation of HW because value of HW is given to you 19 mm of H2O. So use HW first. HW is equal to 353H 1 upon Ta minus Ma plus 1 by Ma 1 upon Tg. From this equation find H. Put the value of H in the equation of Hg and then use that Hg to find Vg. Use the equation of Hw to find capital H. Capital H will be 36.365 meter. Use this capital H to find draft produced in terms of column of hot gases. So you will get 29.22 meter of hot gases as Hg. You can easily find Vg, square root of 2g into Hg, velocity of hot gases. From this equation, you can easily find density of hot gases as 0.650 kg per meter cube. Use this value of density, velocity of flue gases and area of the chimney to find mass flow rate. The final value of mass flow rate will be 59.132 kg per second. Fourth example, determine the height of chimney required for a boiler having an average fuel consumption of 1500 kg per hour and producing 15 kg of dry flue gases per kg of coal fired. Here you have to find height of the chimney, capital H. average fuel consumption is given. MF is equal to 1500 kg per hour and producing 15 kg of dry flue gases. Here mass of flue gases is given. If you take Ma is equal to mass of air supplied per kg of fuel, then mass of flue gases will be Ma plus 1. So Ma plus 1 value is given to you, 15 kg per kg of fuel. The pressure drop in mm of water at various stages in a boiler flue passages are: fuel bed 4.8 mm, boiler flue 7.8 mm, boiler tube passage 2.8 mm, through various bands and dampers 0.6 mm. Here total pressure drop in mm of H2O is given at various stages. Add all these pressure drops to find total pressure drop. You will get 16 mm of H2O. This is the actual draft produced in the system. The flue gases have a mean temperature of 280 degrees Celsius. Tg is given 280 degrees Celsius. And ambient temperature is 27. Ta is given 27 degrees Celsius. Actual draft is 0.8 times the theoretical draft. H actual is equal to 0.8 times H theoretical. This is important point. You cannot directly use H actual in design calculation. We have to find theoretical draft first and we have to use the value of this theoretical draft for design purpose. So H theoretical will be H actual divided by 0.8. It will become 20 mm of H2O. We have to design the chimney for this value, which is more than H actual, so that after the losses we will get this value. Use the equation of HW. HW is given to you. TA, MA and TG. All these values are there in the data. So you can easily find capital H in meter. Here you have to put the value of HW in mm of H2O only. Height is coming out to be 40.59 meter. Fifth example. Determine the height of the chimney to produce a static draft of 17 mm of water. Height of the chimney, capital H, you have to find. For static draft of 17 mm of water, HW is given to you, 17 mm of H2O. Temperature in the chimney is 300 degrees Celsius. Tg is equal to 573 Kelvin. Surrounding temperature is 28 degrees Celsius. Ta is equal to 301 Kelvin. Barometer reads 755 mm of Hg. Here atmospheric pressure is given to you. So Pa is equal to 755 mm of Hg. The value of characteristic gas constant is 287 joule per kg Kelvin. Means value of R for air is given to you, 287 joule per kg Kelvin. And that for gases is 255 joule per kg Kelvin. R for gases is equal to 255 joule per kg Kelvin. Here in this example, values of R is given to you. So use the equation PV is equal to MRT. M by V is equal to P by RT. So density will become P by RT. If you apply this equation for air, then rho A is equal to P by RA into TA. Pressure you have to take atmospheric pressure only. We know that 760 mm of Hg is equal to 1 atmospheric pressure and 1 atmospheric is equal to 1.01325 bar and 1 bar is equal to 10 raised to 5 Pascal. So 760 mm of Hg is equal to 1.01325 into 10 raised to 5 Pascal. Convert this 755 mm of Hg into Pascal by multiplying with 1.01325 into 10 raised to 5 and divide this value by 760. You will get pressure as 1.0066 into 10 raised to 5 Pascal. Find density of air P by RA TA. All these values are given to you. So ρA will be 1.1652 kg per meter cube. Then find density of flue gases. ρg is equal to P divided by Rg into Tg. Here also you have to take P as atmospheric pressure only. So you will get ρg as 0.6889 kg per meter cube. We have the basic equation for finding draft. Delta P is equal to ρA minus ρg into GH. We have the value of ρA and ρg. H is unknown and we are given draft in terms of column of water. So you can equate delta P with ρgH for water. Equation will become ρA minus ρg into GH is equal to ρW into G into HW. HW is given to you 17 mm of H2O. Put the values of ρA and ρg. GG will be cancelled out. HW is 17 mm of H2O. Convert this mm into meter. 1000 will be cancelled out and you will get capital H as 35.69 meter. Sixth example. A chimney provided for producing artificial draft in a boiler setup is 75 meter high and designed for maximum discharge of flue gases through it. Here, height of the chimney capital H is given as 75 meter and it is designed for maximum discharge condition. So you have to apply the condition of maximum flow rate or maximum discharge in this example. The boiler furnace is supplied with 20 kg of air per kg of fuel. Ma is equal to 20 kg per kg of fuel. And the temperature of surrounding is estimated to be 300 Kelvin. TA is given to you. You have to find the temperature of flue gases, Tg, and draft in terms of water column and hot gas column, HW and Hg. You have to use this formula directly. Tg by Ta is equal to 2 times Ma plus 1 by Ma. This is the condition of maximum discharge. Here Ma and Ta both are given to you. So you can easily find Tg. Tg is equal to 630 Kelvin. In the lecture of chimney draft, we have derived the condition of maximum draft and for this condition, we have found the values of Hg max and Hw max. Hg max is equal to capital H and Hw max is equal to 176.5 H by Ta. So, during maximum discharge condition, draft in terms of hot gas column is equal to height of the chimney, 75 meter of hot gases. And draft in terms of water column, you can find by using this equation and it is coming out to be 44.125 mm of water.